Alright, welcome back to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In today's class we are going to be focusing on the cube and the cuboid. In the last class we discussed on their properties and we looked at few properties of the cube and that of the cuboid and other solid shapes. Alright, so in today's class now our focus will be on cube and cuboid. So here we are going to be looking at the formula. We are going to look at what their formula says and then we are going to use them to solve examples. Alright, so before I proceed, let's have the diagram of a cube and a cuboid again. So if you are to have the diagram of a cube and a cuboid, you would remember that we said a cube is of this shape. A cube is of this shape. So this is the shape of a cube. You can see that now. This is a cube. Very nice. All right, and this is a cuboid. We said a cuboid is in the form of what? Of rectangle, while a cube is in form of a square. A cuboid is in the form of what? So like this, like this, like this, and like this. All right, so now these are the symbols, these are their shapes rather. All right, so that is of cube and then cuboid. Are you seeing that now? So we know that cube has equal length, and are you seeing that now? So for cube the length and the breadth are equal, so it is L. Are you seeing that now? So it only has L's, only length. I get what I'm saying, because it is a square. I get what I'm saying now. But for cuboid we have the length, we have the breadth, and then we have the what? Height. Are you seeing that now? So these are a few things you have to know about them first. Are you seeing that now? So now what is the area of a cube? The volume of a cube. So let's start with the volume. The volume of a cube. Let me write that very well. So the volume of a cube. Are you seeing that now? The volume of a cube is length times length times length. So that is what? Length times length times length, and that will give us what? L raised to power what? 3. Are you seeing that now? But that of cuboid, the volume of cuboid, you can see the way this one is length, times length times length. This one be what? Length times breadth times height. Are you seeing that now? So this is what? Length times breadth times height. So that means the volume is equal to what? The volume is equal to what? LBH. Are you seeing that now? The volume of a cuboid is equal to what? LBH. Are you seeing that now? So these are similarities that you have to look at first. I get what I'm saying now. So now let's look at the surface area. So let's look at the surface area of a cube. So the surface area of a cube is length, and we have another length here, another length here, and another length here. Are you seeing that now? So that is LL, this L and this one. Are you seeing that now? This L and this L and this. So that's why we have the surface area to be what? 6. How many L's do we have? 6 lengths. So 6L squared. Are you seeing that now? 6L squared. 6 multiplied by the what? By the length. I get what I'm saying, because it has 6 sides. Are you seeing that now? So but for that of what's it called? for that of cuboid, are you seeing that now? For that of cuboid, it is, so the surface area of cuboid, the surface area of cuboid, all right, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. The surface area of cuboid is given by, now look at this, it is given by 2 multiplied by the length times the breadth. Are you seeing that now? 2 multiplied by the what? The length times the breadth, plus, let me bring this image down. So the thing we are doing is 2 multiplied by what? Length times breadth, plus length times height. Are you seeing that now? So length times height. Are you seeing that now? Then plus what? Breadth times height. Now are you seeing that now? Breadth times what? Times height. That's why we say that the surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket. So the surface area of cuboid is 2 into bracket LB, 2 in brackets. Sorry, let me clean that part so that it will be clear. So the formula is 2 in brackets LB plus LH plus BH. Are you seeing that now? So that is the what? That is the formula for calculating the surface area of a cuboid. I get what I'm saying. That's how you calculate the surface area of a cuboid. So what about the perimeter? Now if I want to calculate the perimeter of a cube, I get what I'm saying. What do we say perimeter is? The total area that we have there. I get what I'm saying. The total faces. I get what I'm saying. How many faces do we say a cuboid have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Are you seeing that now? So that is 12 multiplied by the sides. I get what I'm saying. 12 multiplied by the sides. I get what I'm saying. You can say 12L. I get what I'm saying. You can say 12L. While this, you can see for this what's it called, our cuboid. You know our cuboid also have 12 sides, but now it will have 3 lengths, it will have 4 lengths, 4 breadth and 4 heights. I get what I'm saying now. 4 lengths, 4 breadth, 4 heights. So this one, the perimeter of this is going to give us, so the perimeter of this one will give us 4 lengths plus 4 breadth plus 4 height. You can see 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. You can see that it also gives us 12. So you can write it as 4 into bracket what? L plus B plus H. Are you seeing that now? L plus B plus what? Plus H. So that is the formula for the what? For the perimeter of a cuboid. All right. So now we are going to be looking at example now. I guess I'm saying we want to look at example. All right. So example now. So example. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So I'll be dictating the example while you write down. All right. So we have an example that says that if the length, breadth and height, if the length, comma, breadth and height, if the length, breadth and height of a cuboid, you can see now here they said a cuboid. Are you seeing that now? Of a cuboid are 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. Are you seeing that now? Then the question now say we should find, so let's say we want to find the whole thing. So find number 1. So number 1 we will find the what? Let's say we want to find the volume. Are you seeing that? Number 1 we want to find the volume. Number 2 we want to find the total surface area. Total surface area, that's what we call TSA. Are you seeing that now? And then let's see number 3, I want to find the what? The perimeter. I get what I'm saying? I want to find the what? The perimeter. So I want to find these 3 things under a cuboid. Now normally I don't need to draw. Are you seeing that now? I don't need to draw, but for the sake of explanation, let's draw that. So for us to draw a cuboid, we know that this will be the diagram of a cuboid. So we can draw that like this. Are you seeing that now? Alright, so this is this. Oh, I don't know why are you doing like this. This my pad don't want me to draw. Okay. Why are you doing like this now? Alright, so we'll draw it. I don't know why it has decided to. Very good. You can see that this is a complete cuboid now. Are you seeing that now? So they say the length. Are you seeing that now? The question says that what the length is how many? 5 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeter. The breadth is 3 centimeter, and then the height is what? 4 centimeter. Are you seeing that now? So now we can now calculate. Are you following now? So the first thing we want to calculate is the what? Is the volume. And we said that what? The volume of a cuboid is given by what? 2 into bracket what? LB. Are you seeing that now? Plus what? LH. Are you seeing that now? Plus LH plus what? Plus BH. Are you seeing that now? So that is how you calculate what? The volume of a cuboid. So that will give us 2 into bracket. What's our L? So we have 5 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 3. Are you seeing that now? Plus 5 multiplied by 4. Are you seeing that now? 5 multiplied by 4. Sorry. Plus base, the breadth 3 multiplied by what now? 4. Are you seeing that now? So I will now finish that up. That will give us 2 into bracket. 5 times 3 is what? 15. Plus 5 times 4 is what? 20. Plus 3 times 4 is what? 12. Are you seeing that now? So then we are going to have, what are we going to have next? We are going to have 2 into bracket. 15 plus 20. 15 plus 20 is 35. Are you seeing that? 35 plus 12. 35 plus 12 will give us 47. Are you seeing that now? That will give us 47, and then if you multiply 2 by 47, that will give you what? 94 centimeter. What is the unit for volume? Volume is power 3, so that was 94 centimeter cube. Are you seeing that now? You can see that this is very, very simple. Are you seeing that? You can see that it is very, very simple. All right, so now let's calculate the other thing. The other thing we want to do is what? Is the total surface area. The total, no, oh sorry, the one we calculated now is the total surface area. Oh sorry, I almost forgot that. All right, sorry. What we did now is the total surface area. What we did here is the what? Is the total surface area, not the volume. What we did there is what? Total surface area. You can see why it is very important that we remember the formula. This is total surface area. What will be the volume? The volume is just the length times the breadth times the height. So this is number 2, the total surface area. Number 1, which is the what? The volume. Are you seeing that now? Sorry about that. The volume is length times breadth times height. Are you seeing that? Length times breadth times height, and that will give us, what would that give us? That will give us what? What's the length? The length is 5, 3 and 4. So this is 5 times 3 times 4, and that would give us 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 4, that should give us 60 centimeter cube. I get what I'm saying now? 60 centimeter cube. Alright, so for the total surface area, since it is total surface area we are calculating here, area deals with square. Are you seeing that now? So area deals with square, so that means the total surface area was centimeter square, while this one is centimeter cube. Do we get that now? So please note that. The number 3 question says we should calculate the what? The perimeter. The perimeter. We say that perimeter is what? 4L plus what? 4L plus what? Plus 4B plus 4H. Are you seeing that now? Yes, this is that here. Let's confirm that. This is the formula here. 4L plus 4B plus 4H. Are you seeing that now? So let's complete that. So that will give us 4 into brackets L plus B plus H. Are you seeing that now? So that will now give us 4 into brackets L is what? 5, B is what? 3, and H is what? 4. So that will give us 4 into brackets 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Are you seeing that now? And then 4 times 12 will give us what? 48 centimeter. Are you seeing that now? 48 what? Centimeter. So that is the answer to that question. Alright, so you should know that it is very important that you what? You know the formula. I get what I'm saying? It is very important that you do what? You know the formula. Alright, so now let's see a question under cube. We've seen a question under cuboid, so let's see a question under cube now. So we have the example here that says that if the length, so the question says that if the what? If the length of a cube, I think that now you'll be told the name. I get what I'm saying? If the length of the side, if the length of the side of a cube is 6 centimeter, comma, find the number 1, the volume. So let's find the volume. Number 2, the total surface area, and then number 3, the perimeter. Are you seeing that now? So these are the things that we want to find. So I can decide to draw the diagram again. So let's draw the diagram again. That will give us this. Sorry, it's in form of a square, not rectangle, so it is very short like this. I hope you have subscribed, like and share this video. Alright, so this is that of a what? Of a square. Are you seeing that now? So what's the length they gave us? They said length is what? 6 centimeter. So if this is 6, that means this one is also what? Is also 6 centimeter. Are you seeing that now? So the first question is that you should what? You should find the what? The volume. What is the volume of a cube? The volume of a cube is what? 6 L raised to power what? Power 2. Remember? I mean, no. That's the total surface area. Let's the volume of a cube. What's the volume of a cube? L in 3 places. Are you seeing that now? L in 3 places. You should be careful. Don't mix the total surface area with the volume. So the volume is what? L in 3 places. So that is what? 6 raised to power what? Power 3. And that's 6 times 6 times what? Times 6. Are you seeing that now? So that's 6 in 3 places. 6 times 6 is 36. I'm sure you know that 6 times 6 will give us what? 36. And then 36 times 6 will give us what? I'm sure you should know that 36 times 6 would give us 200 and what? 16 centimeter cube. Are you seeing that now? Then the total surface area. Total surface area is what? What's the formula? 6L squared. So that will give us what? 6 into bracket what? 6 raised to power what? Power 2. I get what I'm saying now. That will give us what? 6 into bracket what? 36 also. That will also give us what? That will also give us 216. Are you seeing that now? That will also give us 200 and what? And 16. What is the area of a what? What is the unit of area? Centimeter square. Are you seeing that now? And if you want to calculate the what? The perimeter now. What's the perimeter? What do we call the perimeter of a cube? We say that the formula for perimeter of a cube is what? 12L. So that's 12 multiplied by what? By 6. You can see that these are very simple things. So 12L. So that's what? 12 multiplied by what? 12 multiplied by 6. And that will give us 12 times 6. 6 times 2. That's 72 centimeter. You can see that now. So that is how you calculate questions under cube and what? And cuboid. Alright. So thank you very much for watching. I would see you in the next video. But as a culture, let me give you an assignment so that you can also practice. Are you seeing that now? There is no learning without practicing. Are you seeing that now? There is no learning without what? Practicing. So assignment. So the assignment, let's say that number 1 given. No, so let's say if the length breadth and height, if the length, breadth and height of a cuboid are, I see that now, if the length of a what? Of a cuboid are, let's say 10 centimeter, 7 centimeter, no, 5 centimeter, and 8 centimeter, full stop. Find number 1 the volume. So you're also finding the volume. Number 2, you have to find the total surface area, and then number 3, you would also find the what? The perimeter. Are you seeing that now? Find the perimeter. And the number 2 question is given. The second one is if. So let's just put that in form of diagram to make it much more easier. So you have a cube here. And you see that now? You have a cube here. Consider this is a cube now. This is a what? This is a cube. Are you seeing that now? So what is the length of this cube? So let's say the length is what? 4 centimeter. Find the what? Find the volume. After finding the volume, you find the total surface area, and then after that you also find the what? the perimeter. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And by adventure you need a private personalized class, feel free to reach out to my WhatsApp number 07052609233. So that is my personalized WhatsApp number for a private personalized class. All right, so submit your assignment, and student of God's love, God's own school, student of God's own school, submit your assignment to the right authority for proper checkings. All right, if you have any question, feel free to ask and watch the video over and over again. God's love, students, you are doing fantastically well, and I love that. So keep the energy, and God bless you. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. All right.